We will see how the Velcro sticker is sticked to the projector. We get a Velcro sticker from the package, remove the white cover and stick it to the projector. It can be sticked from the top as well as bottom side of the projector. Now we see the camera kit. We connect the other part of the Velcro sticker to the camera kit. Now it can be placed on the projector. Please note that the projector can be ceiling mounted also, and the camera kit can be kept on the top as well as bottom side of the projector. The choice of the kit depends on the what kind of projector you have. If you have short throw projector, please get a short throw model. If you have a long throw projector, please get a long throw model of the interactive kit. USB cable is connected. Thank you very much. In this demo we will see how the interactive kit is connected to the long throw projector. At the bottom side we stick the sticker to the bottom side of the projector. Now we get the other part of the sticker connected to the camera kit, and this camera is connected from the bottom like this. It is just placed on the Velcro. It connects it very well. It will not fall off. Nothing to worry about it. Thank you very much. Now we'll see how Velcro sticker is stick to the ceiling mounted projector. Our long throw kit can be installed over the top or at the bottom of the ceiling mounted projector. In this demo we are keeping it on the top of the projector. Similarly it can be kept at the bottom also. So it is kept like this. So this is long throw model installation. Thank you.